Alright, so what are we chefing up today?
Little modifications.
Some small mods?
Small mods.
Alright, what do we got here?
For the hot boy attachment.
The hot boy attachment. Alright, what's up?
We got some white stuff. Let's see what we got. Little carbon fiber wing install today. Different parking spot in front of the house. Got my other spot taken. So, really shouldn't be too hard, you know. That goes on, this goes on.
And then that's it. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next
video. Peace. Anyways, I'll try to make a little video out of this. It's meant to fit the car. I got it off eBay.
Does it fit?
I don't even think we need tape. Leave it like this.
Small mod. It's a small mod.
Let me catch that. Take this off for now. Oh, how about that one?
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they actually don't look half bad.
I'm good helping this. I want to clean up the surface before I start working on it.
What are you cleaning it with?
Some vinyl stuff.
Ah, sad day.
See? Got it from my boy over at East End, but it's...
Should we plug them again?
It's a, yeah, you know what? Once again,
Alright. We'll plug them again.
my boy Alexander wrapped my car. It came out beautiful. His sticker just came off my thing. Yeah, this is his little sticker, his icon guy.
Alright, we'll tag him again.
East End Vinyl, Alexander, good guy. Put that back on there for now. I'm just gonna hit it with this stuff because gotta treat the wrap nice. Look at him, see?
What, you want the tape?
Yeah. The tape here. It's pretty thick.
It's a thick boy, eh?
Just the roll itself. So as you can see, what we did prior, we cut it in half widthwise. So we're gonna do the same thing and get the most out of this roll because doing the whole width of the roll is too much. It's going to probably overlap. So we have to cut down the width and literally just we're gonna lay 3M all across here, all up here. And simple as that, throw it on the car. And it should come out pretty nice. How's that look?
How much horsepower did you get from this? 10?
Yeah, like 12.
12? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Depending on what tune I'm running.
Alright. So, we ran out of tape.
Yeah, because we used the leftover from Chris's roll from when he wrapped his, not wrapped, from his duckbill, his little lip guy. Is it a duckbill or a whale tail?
I think it's considered a duckbill. Oh, you can't see it from this angle. No, I actually did my duckbill, and then I also did my side skirts with it.
Say so.
So that had a lot of life from it.
Now we're just gonna run to whatever store, and we're gonna pick up another roll real quick, because we already laid out the whole bottom.
And even cutting it in half, we still didn't have enough.
Yeah.
So
now we're just gonna come back, run it across the top, and then apply it to the car. So, be back in a little bit.
And we're back.
And we got tape that way you don't have to cut.
Oh, what a nice cut. What a clean cut. Just like that clean cut. Can we check it out?
Check that out.
Ooh! Something light.
Very nice. Alright, so we have a little tape on the lip now. And it's time for a pro tip we got here. Sponsored by your boy Bren's FRS. My boy Brendan. He hit us with his pro tip, what? Was it on his side too? It's on his FRS?
Yeah. It was when we were in the Applebee's parking lot.
There we go.
It was like 15 degrees and we were putting on side skirts.
It was bees on a Monday night. Only us guys know the rest. But alright. Right, Zach? Bees on a Monday night? But here we go. My buddy Brendan hit it with this pro tip. So now that I did just that one piece, I'm going to pull it off. Go get him, fast boy. I'm going to leave that piece off like that to the side for now. Just like that, let it hang over. So when it comes time to take it off the car, we have a lip that we can pull. I'm going to do it to all of them, just start it. So now we're at part 2 of the pro tip. Now that we have all the pieces peeled off, like that, like this, like that. Now you can just take it and start the application of it onto the car. Now that I have it down a little bit, now I can pull all the tape off. And what we did by doing that, now we can just have a spot to pull all the tape. Makes it a lot easier to pull it. Trying to get under there and pull it off. Now all the 3M is on. I'm just going around and pushing it down all the way. Make sure everything's on. Well, this wing's pretty strong right now. Let that tape settle up. Alright guys, that was a pretty quick video, pretty easy. The install is done, the lip is on. And once again, I got it off eBay. It's I think they call it an M4 style lip, something like that. But I'm gonna throw the lip in the description, and if we forget, like we do often, just comment down below, we'll drop you the link. But it's on, it was pretty easy, just use a good amount of 3M tape, no screws needed, and the install's pretty much done. I think it looks pretty clean. Just need a little bit more carbon fiber here and then to dress up the car. But besides that, that's pretty much it for the video. If you liked it, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the lip or a different lip, leave it down in the comments below. If you haven't already dropped a sub, please do that too. But besides that, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.